Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Sage. Today, I want to talk about my new addiction, Cursor AI. Are you familiar with this Cursor AI? I am. I literally might have to seek help. I'm so into Cursor AI, and what inspired me was this 8-year-old girl.
Hello, everyone, and today, I'm going to show you how to code with Cursor.
Okay, so she does a tutorial on how to code with Cursor. I'm just going to jump through some of this stuff. Okay, she's going to do like a React. She's setting up a React web a web project. Okay, so she's like telling it. So look, okay, so check this out.
Hello. And then if I do that, then it will basically have some code, and it will apply it. Now I'm going to do Command Tab and Command R. And now, look,
Bam.
now it says Harry Potter.
Now it says Harry Potter. Yay! And then in the middle.
Now it's going to replace this.
It's going to put it in the middle. Now check this out.
Center Harry Potter. Now it's going to do this, which I'm going to apply, which adds it to it.
Yep.
And changes the code that needs to be done. And then refresh. Look, it's in the middle. And that's a really good font.
That is a really good font. Okay, so I was just like, this is insane. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to walk you through some basics of this. So what I can tell you is I am building now my third mobile app in probably 2 months. I'm working on another web app. I'm working on a web app for a carpooling app for the school my wife works for. I'm making an app for the American homeless community. I made an app for some AI bots that I think are cool, and I can show you more of those in detail in other videos. But I just wanted you to get a feel for this thing because basically I have gone from not being able to make an app using React or React Native at all to being able to put out some really, really cool high-end stuff. So at any rate, I want to just what we're going to do here is I'm going to walk you through this by setting up a simple website, okay? And what you need to know about Cursor AI is it's just VS Code. They just use that as their platform and then integrated their tool into it. So I've made a folder called Cursor Video Project, and this is the page that I don't know if this normally comes up. This is just where I was, but I'm just using the free account. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to create a chat. Well, I'm going to try something actually. So chat. This took me this was probably the hardest part, was figuring out how to open the chat window. On Windows, it's either on Windows it's Control L, and on Mac it's Command L. But I don't know why they just don't have like a link to that, but they don't. So that is this chat window where that's what she was using. But I'm going to use this thing called Composer right at the moment, and I'm going to see if it works on the free version. The reason I like Composer is because it just builds stuff out for you. That can be problematic in its own self, but when it works, it's awesome. So what I wrote here is I said, I want to create a 5-page website about my band. I want a homepage, about us page, contact us page, videos from YouTube, and an image gallery. And I'm going to see if Claude Sonnet 3.5 works. I've found that is where I like to work the most. Okay. So, all right. So, oops. Okay. So it says, certainly, I'd be happy to do that. Of course you would. Okay. This is awesome. I've made it like I can't now move it. So that's super great. That's not a fault of the app. That's just my fault. That's so freaking okay. Hold on. Just hold on 1 second, will you? Just give me a second. All right. So for some reason I got my Composer stuck at the top of my screen. I've never had that happen before. But what I want to show you is it has created all of these pages for me, okay? And so it's just laid it out. It's made it a template. It's done all of these things. And then all I have to do is click accept, and all these pages are saved. And then you come over here to the folder. I'm going to just click on this index page, okay? And there it is. Welcome to my band. Okay, so now check this out. So here it is. We are a blank band from blank. Check out our latest music, okay? Now this is cool, but there's no navigation. So what I want to do then is I want to come back and I want to say, this looks great. This is great. I'd like a top navigation for all these pages. We'll just do that. We'll just say that. Okay. So I feel like I'm a pretty accomplished HTML guy. HTML and CSS, that's kind of what I do. But I'm at the point with this that I don't want to even code my own HTML anymore, because the code that Cursor AI puts out is so clean and so without errors that I, like, for example, I had to build a email template for a client the other day, and I just used Cursor, because then I don't have to mess around, like, my code is sloppy, or I missed a greater than sign or something like that. So okay, so here's what it said. I asked for a top navigation. I'll modify the template and update all the pages to include a top navigation. We'll make the changes to template.html and then update all the other pages. Okay, so now it's gone through, I think, and it's also added a CSS. These changes will create a horizontal top navigation for all the pages. The navigation is centered and has hover effects, blah, blah, blah. Let's see what happens if I refresh it. Okay. So that actually did not work, but if we go to the template, let's look at the template. Okay, hold on. Okay, so here's the template. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is one of these things where, and that it doesn't always do what it says it's going to do, but I'm going to say, I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on this and I'm going to add all of these pages like this, okay? Please add the navigation to these pages, okay? And let's see if it does it. Okay. So now it's going through and it's generating this navigation, and you can actually watch it work. It's pretty awesome in that, like, it shows you what it is getting rid of. So we're in contact. Okay, now we're in video. Okay, so let's see if we can watch it do it in the video in real time. So it's going into the video thing. It's it pulled out this navigation code from template.html, okay, and it's added these. But now, if you notice, it's shown you what it has put in and what it has taken out, but it has not officially saved it. So you can reapply, you can save all, you can reject all, but I'm going to click accept all. And so now all of these pages have applied this. And if we go back into the index page, now we can see all of these pages with the top navigation. Okay? And let's just say, we want a cooler font. I'm literally going to say that. And I'm going to get rid of these. Like, let's see. I want a font that is tough and cool looking. Okay? So, I don't even know what that means. But, okay, so they're going to go with Babus Nue, which I do like. I do like that. So, first of all, so if we go into styles.css, it has imported it from Google, okay? It has updated the headings and the top nav, and in that, now the body font is still Arial, which is interesting, but let's see what it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to go here. Oh, yeah, that's tougher and cooler for sure. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I feel it. Okay, now let's say, but I want the colors to be rainbow. Okay, but I want the colors of the site to be rainbow colors. Okay. All right. So, and again, what it's doing here is it's just updating the style sheet. And I never told it to make a style sheet, but it's making it for you. And again, like, I just love the fact that it makes all of this for me. I don't have to do this. Now, the nice part about this in my case is I'm familiar with HTML, so I can kind of come in here and say, oh, look, I don't like that, or I don't like this, but whatever. So here I'm just going to accept that, and I'm going to come in here and I'm going to refresh. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. I don't even know how it did it. I don't even know how it did it. But look at that. Rainbow. And then you can tell it. So it says we've updated the colors rainbow. We've defined rainbow colors as CSS variables for easy to use throughout the style sheet. The main heading has a rainbow gradient effect. So, like, look at this. Look at this code here. The gradient is a linear gradient, okay? And it's putting in red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Roy G. Biv. And it's made that gradient, okay? The top nav background is a gradient, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay, then we're going to be like, that is so good. Please make the background of all the pages rainbow, but in reverse. You feel me? I'm going to do it in rainbow in reverse. Okay? So, and again, it's just updating the style sheet, okay? Oh, I got an idea. Okay, I wonder if it can make it blink. Okay, so Okay, so let's see. Let's just see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's hot. Oh, God, I love it so much. I love it. I love it. Okay. Now I want to go in and I say, and then I'm going to go here. I'm going to go on the index page. Index is the home page. Can you make the heading on the index page blink and spin? Okay. Let's try that. Certainly. Okay. So now it's going to use CSS animation effects. Okay. All right. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see. Where'd it go? I don't see it. I don't see it. Okay. Okay. I don't know what happened. I'm going to ask it. The heading has disappeared. Okay. So, I apologize. It always apologizes. Seems the header might have disappeared due to blinking effect. Okay. It's still, so blink, they don't like blink. I don't understand why. Blinking is the greatest effect ever. Okay. Let's try it. Okay. Okay. Is it? Okay. Okay. That's cool. I like it, but it's not rotating. Cool. But it's not rotating. Okay. So, and then it's going to apologize. Oh, connection failed. Why? I apologize. You're right. You're right. Of course I'm right. I pressed refresh. That's my job here. Okay? Please rotate. Okay. It's not rotating. It's still not rotating. Okay. It's still not rotating. How about we get rid of the blinking and see if that helps? Okay. Maybe the blinking. You're right. It always it's so affirming. Okay. We're going to focus solely on the rotation, which is smart. Okay. All right. I don't understand why I can't rotate. Frick. I don't understand. Okay. It's not working. What other cool effect could we try? Okay. Let's just ask it. I apologize. Let's try a different cool effect. Yeah. This should be glowing. Oh, yeah, glowing. Make the heading text glow. Yes. Yes. Please glow. Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh! Oh, that's hot. It glows. That's better. Wait, can you now make it blink? I do want it to blink. But that is amazing. But can you make it blink too? I remember when the internet could blink, and I don't understand why I can't have crap blink anymore. I don't. Look, freedom of speech, people. Freedom of speech. If I want my website to blink, I can't make it blink. It's kind of pulsing. Okay, it's still good. It's still good. Okay, how about That's cool. How about a bunch of emojis all over the page? Let's try that. Okay? Emojis all over the page. Certainly! We can add some fun emojis that float around the page. Yes! Float around the page. Yes! That's all I want. Oh. Oh, yes. Let's see what happens. Ah! God bless it. Praise be. It's so good. It's so good. Okay? This is why we needed AI. For this. I'm still disappointed it can't blink and spin. AI sucks, apparently. But a pulsing logo with emojis floating around. Wait, it's not good enough. That's cool. Okay. That's cool, but they all go in one direction. Can you make them go in more directions and make them bigger? Yeah. Do you see? This is what AI is for. This. Yeah, certainly. It's always certainly and apologizing. Oh yeah. Come on, we can do it. Okay. Let's just see. Let's see what happens. Refresh. Yes! Oh, yes! They're bigger. Oh, God. That's hot. I'm going to say that. That's hot. But make them bigger and move faster. I want that. Bigger and faster. That's the American way. Certainly. Always certainly. Bigger and faster. Okay. Now you have to update the JavaScript. We even have JavaScript. Oh, yeah. Did you see that? I didn't even know we were creating JavaScript. I didn't even know it. I can't do that. I can't make emojis. Okay, big. Yes! Oh, yeah! Oh, God. Oh, God, this is good. This is so good. This is so freaking good. Let's see if you can add some music to the background. Okay. Can you add some computerized music in the background? That would be good. Certainly. Of course you can. Oh, yeah. We're going to use HTML5 audio. Hell yeah, we are. That's a good idea. Yeah. Oh, just wait for it. Just wait for it. To make this work, you'll need to do... Oh, wait. Actual path. Whatever. What? Oh, I thought you could get me some music. I don't think I can do it. Okay, that's disappointing. That's disappointing. Where can I get music? Where can I get some sweet music? Okay. Let's see. Royalty-free music. All right. I don't want to do that. I don't want to have to look through things. That's kind of lame. All right. So at any rate, do you see the power? Do you see how AI is going to make us invincible? This is awesome. This is awesome. Obviously I'll have to apply this awesomeness to all the pages, but I think you can feel where I'm headed here. Do you understand? Do you understand what you can do? Okay. Cursor AI. I mean, I can't get enough of it. I literally cannot get enough of this. All right. There you go. Cursor AI. Check it out.